Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add PayPal smart buttons in Shopify store. So first you have to open your Shopify, tap on themes, you have to scroll down here and you have to look for online store. You need to tap on themes and then you have to go to the right side and you should see the customize button right here. And it will take you directly to your Shopify page where you can add and edit everything here. Now, the next thing to do is open a new tab and then go to the site, elf site. This is what it looks like. Tap the first link, log in or create an account. Once you have an account, this is the dashboard. You have to go to the search icon and then you have to look for PayPal. You have to type PayPal. Click this one right here. And then after that, the next thing you should do is you can now look for the specific layout or template that you want to add to your Shopify. For example, this one, and then just press continue. Add your email address right here. Add the name of your product. You can set the currency. You can also add the cost. So you can add information here. Okay, so basically add your product's information, and then once you're done with adding everything here, then you can customize this one also if you want. After that, you can tap on the publish button, and the publish button can be seen right here, this one, the color green. Tap this, and after that, you can now pick a plan, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's just go with the free version. And then after that, what you're going to do here is you have to copy this link, tap this one, go back to your Shopify. Now you can search for that specific section. For example, I want to add this to my footer section. So tap this one right here, tap custom liquid, and then paste the URL that we have copied earlier from outside. And then after a while, you should see the PayPal button right here, and you're now ready to accept payments from your customers and clients. And that's how easy it is to add PayPal smart buttons in Shopify store. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.